Hello, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Kaizen Copilot, your super app for process improvement. Currently, 60% or more of IE's time is lost in planning, information exchange, and documentation during process improvements. Kaizen Copilot offers 5 powerful modules, each tailored to address specific aspects of process optimization and efficiency enhancement. With KCP, you can maximize your IE's valuable time on making actual implementation on the shop floor by letting KCP identify process issues, propose solutions, and document the entire journey beyond implementation. Improving processes begins with observing and gathering data about the concerned task. You can conveniently capture a few cycles from your station using your smartphone or camera and then upload them to KCP for further analysis. File management offers functions for uploading, downloading, and deleting the files. Using the Upload File button, you can easily upload your station video from your desktop or laptop. You can view them by clicking on the thumbnail. And if you wish to group certain videos, you can do it using the tag option. The first module with Kaizen Copilot is Station Design. This module uses computer vision technology to analyze your station and dissects cycle into basic steps, measures cycle time, and then estimates the work element. In other words, we can say that AI performs the time and motion study. The output of the AI time and motion study can be seen in this page. In the step analysis, the cycle is broken down into smaller steps, and for each step, you'll find the relevant video. The video has been segmented into smaller steps. If there are multiple cycles in the video, each cycle will be divided into similar steps. Also, for each step, the AI estimates the work elements. For example, in this step, it has estimated as reach and move grasp because the operator here is picking a component to assemble. Likewise, AI also estimates the value type, whether it's value added or non-value added, and then based on work elements here, the AI also generates some questions for the user to answer, which will lead to the improvement ideas. Going forward, we have a dedicated audit page, which will help you to analyze your workstation and determine its lean maturity level. These audit questions are simple yes or no questions, which will help you understand the station's lean maturity level. In the suggestion page, you will have the results of the entire station analysis, in which we have recommendations to improve the station at station level, as well as some of the improvements at the step level. On this side, you have the output of time and motion study here. We can see what is the variation in the cycle time, how much time is of value add, how many steps are there in this cycle, and we can also see a stack diagram to understand how the time has been distributed within the stations. We also have a bar chart to describe value type. Also, we have this step list table, which has details about each of the steps. You can see the step name, the time, the standard deviation, the value type, and also the video of that particular step. You can download this table and use it offline. We have the station layout suggestion. Here, AI marks the ergonomic zones over the workstation and tries to analyze how convenient it is for the operator working in the station. It tries to analyze the hand occupancy and describes how much work is done in each zone. If it detects that work is not happening in a safe zone, which is not convenient for the operator, the AI comes up with suggestions and says how this station design can be improved so that the workplace becomes convenient for operators and is a safer and efficient way. And next, we have this workstation audit results page, where based on the audit question, we get to know whether the station maturity is high, low, or medium, and then we also get to know the Kaizen opportunities. That means if there are 2 Kaizen opportunities, implementing these 2 points will improve the maturity of the workstation and make them more mature. Going on to step analysis, you can find spaghetti diagrams and hand movements for each step. Not only that, the AI also generates the hand distance. Also, if the spaghetti diagram is haphazard and the distance moved is large, then it is a trigger for improvement or optimization. In key takeaways, we provide recommendations to improve the efficiency of your process by combining all of these results. And then we have Kaizen notes, where the engineers can note down things that will help them for further utilization. Following station design, the next module we have is line balancing. In this module, you can design a new line or rebalance the existing line to improve the line balance ratio. This module conducts thorough calculations to ensure the optimal allocation of tasks across the production line. By analyzing various factors such as task complexity and worker capabilities, it determines the most efficient workflow distribution. IEs can now quickly visualize line balancing and other line-level insights using Kaizen Copilot. We get to know the line balance ratio, the target volume per hour, which is the bottleneck station, and what will be the total work content. We have a Yamazumi chart to show the task level allocation for each station. Also, we have an option to rebalance using takt time, operator, or volume. Additionally, this module offers suggestions to reduce overall production hours or potentially decrease the required manpower. Industrial engineers might not do a multiple iteration of line balancing to get to know the best line balance ratio. They can simply use our suggestion option, which will give them the most optimal line balancing option. And finally, we have the report section, where the new balanced line can be downloaded to view the line balance chart. And also, we provide a table which can be used offline to allocate work for each operator and the station. And next, we have ergonomics. Kaizen Copilot's ergonomic module utilizes state-of-the-art computer vision technology to analyze video footage and identifies ergonomic risk intervals. From body postures to repetitive hand ergonomics, Kaizen Copilot identifies potential results and provides actionable insights to mitigate and improve operators' safety. In this example, we can see how our computation technology has analyzed the video according to the REBA standards. In this case, the full body is analyzed to identify the riskier postures. And for each of these postures, REBA score is generated, and also the limbs which have been affected are all highlighted in this results page. Next, we have the NIOSH lifting equation, which analyzes the video and recommends the allowable weight limit that is safe to handle in this particular operation. In this example, the AI has analyzed the video as per NIOSH lifting equation and has computed some of the task variables. And then in the results page, we observe the lifting index. The lifting index says whether the job is risky or safe. Also, the recommended weight limit for these tasks are also determined. Next, we have Snook tables, which is similar to the NIOSH lifting equation, meaning even Snook analyzes the video and generates some of the task variables. In the results page, we show how safe or risky the activity is. Along with that, we provide design goals. All of this can be exported into an offline PDF to use on the shop floor for redesigning the safer jobs. Next, we have a hand grip and insertion force. This assessment focuses only on the hand. The AI analyzes the process video based on hand grip and insertion force guidelines and identifies the hand-intensive tasks, and then determines how safe or unsafe are these intervals. Or, in other words, the MSD risks are identified and given out in the results page. In conclusion, our ergonomic module can analyze risky intervals starting from body posture to repetitive hand ergonomics, which means all types of industry processes can be analyzed to identify the MSD risks and improve the operator safety. Moving on to failure mode and effects analysis, Kaizen Copilot's FMEA module goes beyond traditional assessment methods by incorporating built-in AI suggestions. Each analysis of FMEA can be conveniently done using our step perform, and also while doing the failure analysis and risk analysis, we have AI suggests, which helps you determine the failure modes and its effect based on the information entered in the previous step. By this, it will help industrial engineers to think faster and broader in terms of the failures that can happen in their production line. Also, it allows users to manually input their own failure modes in this table. Like I mentioned, even to understand the cause of failure, you can use AI Suggest. Simply select the failure mode which you want to generate the cause, and then click on the Generate button. And then in the list, whichever is appropriate to your process, you can select them and then press on the Insert button. Next, once you have completed the risk analysis, and now you want to mitigate the risk, again, you can use AI Suggest to help you come up with some of the recommended actions. Simply select the failure cause and then click on Generate. This will generate actions using which you can mitigate this risk. After all this is completed, you can go to the results page and look at the risk matrix. This risk matrix will provide you with risk distribution within FMEA. And also, we highlight the top 10 RPMs, which will help your team to focus on mitigating the priority risks first. Also, we can track the action using the action list. In this page, you'll get to know which of the recommended actions that are pending to be implemented. We also give analytics like total number of actions, the completed action, and the overdue action with respect to the current date. Engineers who are responsible for implementing these actions can also update the actual implementation by typing in the actual implementation and filling in the new occurrence and detection. By doing this, the FMEA form will also be updated with this new information. Having an updated FMEA form can be used for your audit process as well. Next, you can also download this FMEA form, which will be in the Excel format. Lastly, we have the PMTS module, that is Predetermined Time and Motion Systems. The aim of this module is to automate the process of generating mod apps or MTM or MOST codes based on the process step names and video, which will save valuable time and resources for you. This will be deployed in the next release soon. Thank you.